Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. Here I'm going to create a new playlist called Top 100 Advanced SQL Questions and Answers for query writing as well as interview questions. As part of this, we are going to upload daily 2 to 3 interview questions. You can also practice the same and become a master on SQL. I hope this playlist is going to helpful for your interviews as well as your learning part. Let's get started with the first question today. The first question is how to retrieve the second highest salary of an employee. The most frequently asked question. Okay. So in order to practice, we need a table. Okay. In order to practice, we need to create a table. So here I'm going to execute on show tables. Here we don't have any tables. So for practicing purpose, we are going to create employee tables. You don't need to create from scratch. I'm going to provide the link. Okay. You can take it from there. You can go to github.com/ViTech Talks. So here you can see SQL practice. Here we have a scripts, okay? Load script and create script. Click on create table script. Here copy this data and you can take any software. Okay, it's like MySQL or MS SQL or Snowflake. Okay, this is up to you. First, we need to load the data. So I'm going to remove this foreign keys and primary key concepts here. Okay, you can keep it as primary key. That's not a problem. So in order to execute, click on this execute button. The table is created successfully. Now, I want to see the table is created or not. Quickly select star from employees. Employees is the table. See, we don't have any records. Now the table is created. Anyway, I'm going to provide this link in the video description. You can take it from there and first load the data. Okay, first create the table, then load the data. Now click on load data scripts. Here you can verify where the employees table is present. Okay, you can copy this data. Just copy this and paste it into your editor. So in order to execute one by one, yes, you can execute one by one. In order to execute all the scripts, so what you can do, you can select all. Okay, just select all and click on run button here. Just a second. Okay, it is executing all the scripts. I want to execute only the selected ones. Only one row it is executed. So what you can do, you can comment out above lines, okay, in order to execute all. Okay, in order to execute all, just do comment out, control slash. Okay, so this is how it's going to comment out. Now execute all the statements. See, out of 40, the 20 is completed. See, in order to practice any SQL, okay, first you need to create a table, then you need to load the data. That is very, very important. Okay. Now, once you load the data, just run this query, select star from employees. So here we can see 40 rows. Okay. So this is our sample table for practicing purpose. So what is the query? Okay. What is the question which we need to solve today? Okay. Or what is the problem statement? So before going to write any SQL, okay, segregate into separate pieces. So how to retrieve the second highest salary of an employee? Okay. So before going to write, first try to identify second highest means okay. First try to identify maximum highest salary. Then you can go with second highest salary. So here, try to write select star from employees, order by salary, descending order. Try to run this query first. Okay. So if you observe here, so this is the second highest salary. So what is the second highest salary here? 17,000. So we need to print 17,000. So in order to print second highest salary, first you need to write query to identify max salary. Select salary from employees table. Just execute this one. See, 24,000 it is returning, but we need second highest salary. So it's very simple. If you know how to find maximum salary, just copy this one. So here itself, write where salary not equal to or not in, okay, anything is going to work. Again, write the same query here. Just try to understand. So what is going to happen? First, it is going to execute this subquery. Subquery, you will get 24,000. Now, based on this 24,000, dynamically, it is going to identify the next maximum salary apart from this. Okay. Now try to execute this one. See here, this is what we need. This is what we need. This is one way of writing to find the second highest salary. There are some more methods, okay, by using limit, offset, and top, okay, that you can try and do comment in a comment section, okay, apart from this approach. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.